Hey everyone, welcome to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm Nina and I'll be showing you how to make another one of my favorite Thai curries in the Instant Pot. Panang curry is similar to my Thai red curry, but it has a peanutty flavor profile and it's one of my kids' favorite Thai curries that I make. I'll go over the ingredients and tell you how to make the recipe. Here are the ingredients you're going to need for the Thai Panang curry. The ingredients are in no particular order. It's whatever worked for the photograph. So if you go to the blog, you can get a printable recipe card which has the ingredients listed in the order they're used, and I'll include a link to that in the notes of this video. You're going to need half a cup of sliced onions, 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, a 14-ounce can of coconut milk. I prefer Arroy D or Chowco brands. 1 cup of green beans that have been cut into 2-inch pieces, 1 cup of sliced red and or green bell peppers, 12 to 15 Thai basil leaves, 4 lime leaves, and I tear these up a bit to release the oils and the fragrance. Half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or more to taste, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar or palm sugar, 2 teaspoons of lime juice, and I forgot to photograph the last ingredient, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of Thai Panang curry paste. It's really important that you get the right brand. I prefer Maesri or Mayploy, and I'll put the link to those in the notes. The first thing you want to do is heat the Instant Pot up, and once it's hot, add about half the coconut milk and the Thai Panang curry paste. Stir the 2 ingredients together until the Panang curry paste is mixed in with the coconut milk. And then you want to add your spices, this coriander, cumin, and stir all these spices together with the coconut milk until you get a thick, bubbly paste. Be careful because it can start splattering and make a mess, so you may want to use a splatter screen. I do that just to keep my counter clean. Once you have a thick paste, add the chicken and stir the chicken into the sauce so it's nicely coated. Then add in the remaining coconut milk and stir everything together. Now close the lid and pressure cook on high pressure for 4 minutes. Once the pressure cooking time is done, you can release the pressure using the quick release method. And open the lid. In this case, I let the curry cool down a bit because I was busy doing something else, but you can just immediately proceed with the recipe. Add in the lime leaves, the fish sauce, the lime juice, brown sugar, and peanut butter. Add in the vegetables. And stir everything together in sauté mode until the vegetables are cooked to your liking. You may like them really crisp or you may like them well done. So just cook them for as long as you need in order to get the vegetables cooked to your liking. Once the vegetables are cooked, add in the Thai basil leaves. If you can't find Thai basil, you can use regular Italian basil. I hope you get to try out this recipe, and if you do, please let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.